In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use breakout rooms in Zoom. Whether you're organizing a virtual training session, a classroom activity, or simply facilitating group discussions, breakout rooms in Zoom can be an invaluable tool. They're designed to break the main meeting into smaller, more manageable groups, allowing participants to have focused and interactive discussions. So, let's dive in and explore how to set up and manage these breakout rooms effectively. First things first, you'll want to open Zoom. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to start your session. You can either start an instant meeting if you're looking to dive right into the session, or you can schedule a meeting for a future date if you're planning ahead. Once you have your meeting active, you'll find the Breakout Rooms button conveniently located on the Zoom toolbar. It's typically at the bottom of your screen, easily accessible alongside other essential tools like your Chat and Participants tab. Next, you'll need to decide how many breakout rooms you wish to create. This depends on the size of your group and the nature of your discussions. Do you want a handful of small groups, or perhaps a couple of larger discussions? Make your choice based on what suits your needs best. After selecting the number of rooms, click Create. Keep in mind, this action just sets up the rooms. They won't open immediately. It gives you a chance to assign participants as you see fit. The next step involves assigning participants. You can do this by clicking Assign next to each room. Zoom allows you to manually assign participants to specific rooms, or you can let Zoom automatically distribute them evenly. This flexibility ensures that each room is balanced according to your preference. If, at any point, you find the need for additional rooms, you can easily add more. This adaptability is great if your initial plan changes or if more participants join than anticipated. Before opening the rooms, be sure to check out the Options section. Here, you can fine-tune how the breakout rooms function, such as setting a timer for the sessions, allowing room participants to return to the main session anytime, or automatically moving everyone into breakout rooms once they open. When everything is set and you're ready to commence, click Open All Rooms. Your participants will then be guided to their respective groups, ready to engage in their breakout discussions. During the sessions, you might have important messages or updates to send. Simply click Broadcast, and your message will reach every breakout room. As the host, you have the unique ability to join any of the breakout rooms. This allows you to oversee discussions, address questions, or provide additional instructions as needed. Finally, once your session concludes, you can easily bring everyone back together. Just click Close All Rooms, and all participants will return to the main session area. This action signals the end of your breakout discussions and allows you to wrap up your Zoom meeting seamlessly. Using breakout rooms can enhance any online meeting's effectiveness, providing the means for detailed, productive discussions in a more intimate setting. With the guidance shared today, you should feel confident navigating and utilizing Zoom's breakout rooms to their fullest potential.